Hey everyone, and welcome to Trades of the Day. Trust you're doing fantastic. No day trades for me today. Well, I say no. I had one trade. It wasn't that great. Chicago Bridge and Iron, CBI. I got in a little bit late. Entry was as it broke out with that volume right there. Got in on the pullback. Had a stop down there. Exited a quarter of the position right there. And then end up increasing the stop to there. And I got stopped out, so pretty much break even, 0.005. Since I'm here though, let me just go ahead and I'll put those those links, those charts in here. So today was the 12th, 2018, CBI. 1521 was my limit buy entry, and my stop was 1487. It was a very nice, perfect gap and go. And I got in at 1521, got out of a quarter of the position at 1540, and then exited 1517 the rest. So pretty much a break-even trade. So that's Chicago Bridge, nothing too crazy to see. But as far as our swing trades go, really good stuff happening out there. So NVIDIA did fill. So here's NVDA, and this was a nice move. I mean, if you were day trading it today, you had plenty of opportunity to hop in. So NVIDIA filled today, so that is active and nice looking trade there on NVIDIA. Here's BABA, B-A-B-A. So BABA's chopping around. Here's the 200. Very nice little, just chilling at the 200, nice little pennant pattern. So keep an eye on BABA really tomorrow for a day trade to possibly break out of this little pennant stair step pattern. Same thing with Netflix too. So Netflix, here's the 15-minute chart, and we're just chilling today. Not saying it's going to happen, but I'm certainly watching for Netflix to break above that resistance. You can kind of see that little pink line. That's just what I'm expecting it to do. All right, cool. So Lulu is continuing higher. That's fantastic. So nice little move on Lulu. Fitbit is the one loser, but again, we're going to hold that put over earnings, and we can't lose more than 65 cents. So we'll just see what happens. IQ, very nice move on IQ. So as of right now, you should be able to exit out at 2 R's is 19.15, which is a huge trade. That's 2% gain in really just a few days on IQ. So we're really trading R's. I did it a little bit differently, but this was a fantastic trade. Great job, and it is hitting and has hit 2 R's. So if you want to hold, exit a quarter, move up your stop, you're more than welcome to do that. Just play this one the best that you see fit, but that was a really nice trade on IQ and looks fantastic. So lock in your gains on that one. Dropbox is open and is working very nicely. So this one triggered kind of late in the day yesterday at 31.82. So let me go hop over to Dropbox, DBX. And this one also had a very nice gap today, nice little upper shadow, good volume. It is a retest gap, so 2 R's on this one is also going to be 40.42. So we'll see if it hits that. I got a little bit ways to go, but it looks really nice if it does so far. I like it a lot. Hess doing its thing, looks good. Stay long in Hess. Here's FCX. FCX, I like the little hammer candle, so we'll end up holding this trade over earnings. I'm hoping for either non-event or some kind of bullish gap on earnings, and then we'll move up the stop on FCX. Valero, took some VLO, is also looks pretty good. So Valero slowly continuing higher, so that's a nice trade. I would love, even though the 2R target on Valero is 160, which we have hit today, I would really like to see if we can hold this one for a little bit longer. So earnings is around the corner on this one. I won't hold it over earnings, but let's see if we can hold another day or two. I don't think we're going to get to 109.03 realistically, but yeah, let's just hold it for another day or two, and maybe tomorrow or Monday, and see if we can get out of that one pretty soon. But Valero looks really good. Fossil, ticker symbol FOSL, is up nicely as well. So I mean, guys, we're just hitting some good winners right now. It feels good. So Fossil is up. That's doing its thing. Facebook, ticker symbol FB, So Facebook, let's cancel this setup on Facebook. I no longer like our original entry. Got triggered in BABA, Square, I'm gonna leave it open until tomorrow, and NVIDIA, we're in on NVIDIA. So let's go look at 2 or 3 other trades. So again, Netflix, we're gonna have to see about. WDC does have earnings. So this is gonna be a pretty quick little trade, but it's gonna look something like this. And I'm gonna turn that off. And here's pretty much just looking for it to break out and continue a little bit higher as it bounces. So long-term moving averages, I mean, you're kind of bouncing off the 100, 200. So we'll see Micron Technologies having a really good bounce today. In the last few days, we're gonna see if Western Digital can kind of continue. So 91.34 with a stop at 88.26. And that'll be shares. And that's a good setup. Looks nice to me. Based on a gap and go, and it's open because it's not triggered yet. And we'll throw that in there. And then next, newest trade is going to be on Salesforce. And Salesforce is breaking out. This nice little pennant pattern. So we're going to see if we can get Salesforce on a decent little pullback here. Some type of a limit buy right about there with a stop right about there. And here's how that looks on the hourly chart. So it looks pretty good on the hourly. Good looking trend. Looks like it's trying to break out. Slow creep higher. So Salesforce, the newest trade, 2018 CRM. And 120.25 with a stop at 116.74. Shares, good setup. Again, based on a retest gap, open because it's not triggered yet, and we will throw that into the chat pane. So we'll see if they can pull back to 120.25. But really, that's the trades of the day so far, folks. We are just rocking out, feeling really good about this 5 Rs. So I am at 6 Rs for the month, just barely above that, which is really our, based on some day trades as well. So looking good, feeling good. April looks like it's gonna be a great month. We got another week together. So tomorrow and all of next week, and then I'm gonna be on vacation. So we'll see if we need to wrap up these trades, lock in some more gains, see what we got going on. But feeling good, looking good, trading good. Let's keep it up, folks. You guys rock. I'll see you later. Bye.